Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel. Yes, today I'm in Bangalore now. We are going to a special to have breakfast in Malleswaram, Bangalore, a very special place. So before going there, do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share with your family and friends, guys. Let's go. We just reached Veena Store, guys. See that queues. People are lining up literally on this Saturday morning. People are flocking in just to savor idly and vada. So you can get down Malleswaram Road, 14th Cross, Malleswaram. I can't resist myself. I'm going to dig in, guys.
See, this is yummy, soft idli.
Idli noodle.
Okay. See, this is very crunchy vada. I know how much.
Guys, let me try now the crunchy vada and the super soft idli. Wow. So I can't express this. Wow. So delicious and it's so soft. The one of the best idli you can get in Bangalore. So it's a must visit, guys. So let me taste the vada right now. Did you hear the sound? Even though it's soaked in chutney, it's so crunchy, guys. Wow, this is out of the world. You must have it from over here. Crispy and so soft inside, so delicious. It's a must have. The best vada I had till now. It's a must visit. Let me visit it and I'll get back to you. After visiting Veena Store, we just came to this city as Sagar, which is also one of the oldest hotel in the Bangalore. By look at those queues. By seeing those queue only, you can say that how popular this outlet is. Wow, I'm just feeling so hungry. Ready to dig in. You can see that Zomato guys are queuing up here. From this only you can find out how famous this eatery is for breakfast. We just ordered one of the famous dish in this eatery, that is Benne Masala dosa. It's so crispy. It's so goldy. Wow. It's a feeling of next level. You can hear this crispy sound. Wow. I'm just feeling like heaven. Let me have it. It's so soft, it's so melting in my mouth. I'm just feeling out of the world. One word, heaven. It's just a heaven, guys. You can still see that there are many people in queue get trying to get inside. That is how this restaurant famous. You guys must visit. So pilots. So if you like the video, like it, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.